Boomer, sit. I got a Christmas present for you. Boomer, sit. I got a Christmas present, but it's half open, buddy, okay? Good boy. No, that's not it. Ah, that's the Christmas present. Ooh. Is it alive?
He's just sleeping.
Oh, it's so cute. Is it like a, what is that, hummingbird?
No. It's a gold-crowned thing. He just moved his head a second ago. He like looked around and then was like, oh, this is kind of nice. I'm not taking that.
Oh, poor little boy. Girl?
It just opened its eyes. It just opened its eyes. It's looking around. Do you see it?
He's probably just super cold. And he's a little numb because he was just flying against the window.
He's moving. He moved to my arms. He moved to my hand.
Boomer, right here. I dropped the piece.
Yo, he's standing now. Boomer, do you like ice? Do you like ice? Come on, let's go.
He's just bouncing.
That looked funny.
And it'll give him a chance to figure
Boom,
out
it's not a snack.
if he wants to leave, when he wants to leave or something, you know?
Yeah, maybe he's like scared with us around to start flying. I'm ready to ski. Well, I'm sweating actually. I'm sweating a lot. I don't know how to get off. All right, that's good right there. So we're up here in the White Mountains to ski. I didn't ski in like 2 years, and then last time skied as well over here. And it's great, even though the weather today is like not perfect, but it's good enough to ski for us before I have to head back to Germany. But I hope you enjoy. I definitely do. Can I go down this one? I'll get down.
Woo! That's my fiance.
We're back from skiing and it snowed. But now we get into the city, town. I always say city, into town to get stuff for dinner. We're going to make a risotto. And then I have to check into my flights because tomorrow I have to fly back to Germany. I really don't want to leave this winter wonderland. A little faster. What happened?